Mahirap magpakababae kung hindi ka tunay na babae. Mahirap din magpakalalaki kung hindi ka tunay na lalaki. Pero, mas mahirap maging tomboy kung princess ang pangalan mo. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Kylie, for what is second like mandate number 2.
Masas po, hasta mag-labi-labi si kayo namin. Siya si Liz Garcia, 22 anos, representing Barangay Kibaon. Si Liz Garcia ay naging sa akin sabihan. Masabit, sumagbilay, nagtabong naman to. Nawat na no siya sukaamon mo. Kaya tawayan, tanaadron. Tinatawayan, nag-aamulan mo, sukat.
Manang araw.
Ay, thank you.
Hey, number 3.
Parangaw ng panagrespeto at saray totoo, sinugod tayong ilang duro. Leadership is the capacity to turn vision into reality. This is MJO Malinaw, proud and inaaraw ng gagawin tayo. Ligay, I love you all. Thank you.
Tonight is a gathering of battling for one a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious standing in front of you is a fresh 19 years old stunner. All the way from this party, though you keep finding the fresh and sweet delicious fish sauce that we call bagoong in Lingayen. My name is Marilla, as Mr. Jonathan Ramirez, but for tonight, please go allow me to stand by the name. Ang kaisa-isang Barbie ng Lingayen, Barbie Ramos, na nag-iiwan ng kasabihan, balat ko maiitin, huwag niyo sanang mamaliitin. Dahil sa ganitong pating pata, may negra lalata. If you love it, then show it. Mainggit ng kayo ng mainggit. Thank you!
Thank you, Master. Mandate number 6. Maraming salamat, mandate number 6, sa Victoria, Benedict, and Ivanka Dominguez, representing ang December. This time, may nagbilang mandate number 8.
Mabuhay! Lydia! This is Supila! Proud 19! I'm proud to represent Barangay Pangasinan. Thank you!
Thank you also, Kylie, number 8.
Mabuhay, Lingayen, Ara, Marie, Lara, Nagala, 21, proud to represent the beautiful mode of the furnitures, Barangay Taytay.
Maraming salamat, number 8, Kylie, number 9.
Good evening. This is Bride and Joshua Lagardas Mantua, who ready, proud, and dignified to represent my barangay, Barangay Manibo. Thank you so much.
Kylie, number 10.
Mabuhay! Lingayen! I am your queen on Rojas 21 from Barangay Poblacion. And naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan, kung gusto mo ng boyfriend na Han, humanap ka ng may lagnat. Thank you!
Maraming salamat, Kylie, number 10. May we have candidates 11 and 12.
Robert Simeoni, shot to his left arm, Binuan Barati, 29 years old, from the true home of Banuong, Taman Sanoy, na nagsasabi, kaya hindi po tayo pinipili ng ating mga mahal, sapagkat hindi po tayo sumasama sa kanila. Yun ang ang alibawas, Lingayen!
Kylie, number 12.
You
DJ Mariano Suela from the home of the original furniture. Come on! Hey, number 14.
Gandang gabi, kabaluyan Lingayen. Hi, hello mabuhay. I'm Amara Masaklang and I'm 42, representing Barangay Poblacion.
And we also have a number 13. Media candidates with Asian access team.
This is John Franz Roya, 21. We're proud and loud to dignify to represent from the home of every loving place of Barangay Bantaya, Lingayen, Kasilan. Aliguas arriba, Lingayen.
Hey, number 16.
Easy, representing Barangay, Barangay Poblacion.
Thank you, candidates number 16. Giving our candidates 17 and 18.
Mabuhay Lingayen! This is Christian Quinty Bautista, 25, and I am proud to represent from the Barangay of Topeni, Barangay Lipsonil! Naniniwala sa isang kasabihan, ang kabataan pa rin ang pag-asa ng ating bayan. Thank you!
Hey, number 18.
Magandang gabi, Lingayen! My name is Angela Nagiwa, 19. I'm proud to represent from Barangay Balaco na naninindigan sa isang kanagalamang. Iwan ka lang po ng mga magulang mo. Iwan ka lang po ng mga kaibigan mo. Iwan ka man ng jowa, kabit at asawa mo. Lagi mong tatandaan na hindi ka iiwan ng Diyos magpakailanman. Pabuhay Lingayen. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, 18 down, 6 points to go. This like area, candidates 19 and 20.
The gentleman in front of you is now a full-grown lady. They say you have to live your life to the fullest. So just enjoy life the way as it is. My name is Jeff Ramos, and I'm proud to represent Barangay Nagalugan! At bago ko po isahin ang apat na sulok ng ipagdado nito, kaya ito po ako mag-iway ng pampag-goodbyes. Sadya nga po napakaraming problema ng mga kabalingan sa mundo, pero alam niyo kung ba ang pinakamalupit at ang pinakamahirap ay may ganito pang ganda, pero may itlog ka. Again, happy Bagong Fiesta from the bottom of my heart. Ayaw kay namin. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you. Next candidate, number 20.
Masangkot si Lovely Lingayen. By the way, my name is Margot Chatchandiluan, 22, proud to represent Barangay Wawa.
Maraming salamat, Barangay Wawa. Area candidates 21 and 22.
Rise and shine, Lingayen. I am Alea Angela Magawan Parojas, 23, from the southern part of Lingayen, Barangay Tula.
Now, candidate number 22.
The Pagkabiging with the Kyle Walkman alcohol is standing in front of you is 19-year-old Tanner, hailing all the way from the land of Bagaong is located from Barangay Papisan North. And I believe in saying
without purpose is a lie without destination. Thank you.
Thank you also to the number 22 and last welcome is Miriam Alex 23 and 24.
Queen Shane Ashley Cruz Sevilla, 26, representing Barangay Taluk.